Hi there, folks. We're here at ThunderKiss Northwest. We have our friend Johnathan Higgs from Airsoftology stop by, and this is Pacific Northwest Punk. So we had a couple questions that staff and customers came up with to ask you.
I'm scared.
We're going to go through these questions now. Do you have a favorite non-airsoft sport?
Favorite non-airsoft sport? I guess, running is kind of my thing back in the day, but I haven't done it in so long, obviously. So to watch football, pro.
So if you were a musical instrument, which instrument would you pick?
The flute.
Pro football.
And Formula One racing.
Yeah, I'm more of the racing car guy there too myself. Any particular reason why the flute?
Blow me.
Any video games?
On the road, it's been incredibly tough to play video games. It's like, because internet is a nightmare. When you travel around for your living, it's crazy.
When you want a light snack, do you reach for fruits or veggies?
Fruits. All day long.
But, Arma 3.
What kind of fruits?
Bananas and kiwis, pomegranates. I eat how you're supposed to peel the pomegranate, and I just go all in.
Oh, so PC guy.
I'm a PC guy, yes.
Excellent.
I don't have console thumbs. I can't get it to...
No more Game Boys.
These, they don't work. Like, Tetris was awesome back in the day.
Worst car you've ever owned? So you said you had some peanut butter toast this morning.
Yeah.
Smooth or chunky?
Chunky, come on.
Have you ever rage quit during an airsoft game? Tell us in detail.
I haven't rage quit, but there was one time it was like...
I know, I'm with you there.
Seriously, if you like smooth peanut butter, you're dead to me. You? See? Off camera. There's always one off camera.
Probably 98 degrees outside, and my local field actually made up a new rule that you can't throw melee weapons.
I've had plenty of these, but what's your most embarrassing moment at an airsoft game?
At an airsoft game? Let's see. Well, I haven't lost my pants, so I can't go that far. But I will say the most embarrassing moment, probably more of a crazy moment, is I had a battery blow up in one of my guns.
Because I came around, I was having a hard time taking care of this one dude, and I came around and I just threw my knife behind me. I got him, but everybody thought I was raging out. They're like, dude, Chris, you gotta calm down. And I'm like, okay.
And it started smoking, and you have never seen someone throw their gun off their body. It was a big saw I had. It was like an old, years ago, saw, and I had this massive nickel metal hydride battery in the back.
It's hot. I didn't want to take the time to turn around.
I didn't want to turn. I wouldn't dive over. I just threw it at him. And the guy goes, am I out? Am I out? I'm sticking out of my side, but am I out?
And I pinched the wires, put it together, and didn't know it. So, it was just in there like a little ticking time bomb. And all of a sudden, I started to see the smoke come out of where it met the gun. And they said, people said it was just the craziest thing. I'm taking it, I throw it halfway across the whole, the field we're at, and it literally blows the back of the stock off.
It's a rubber knife. It's in me. Yeah. It's okay.
But I can't think of any time I've rage quit.
So you travel, you must play a lot of card games.
I do play little card games, yes.
So what's your favorite card game?
Oh, come on, Cards Against Humanity.
Yeah.
Come on.
So, no.
That's a card, and it's a game.
I guess, you can classify that as a card game now. So for sure.
Get around the rules.
It's probably happened a half a dozen times. I just can't remember.
So another big question: sweatpants.
Who? What? No.
Off the top of my head.
Once you blow your top, you just can't remember what happens next. Yeah. See red.
I'm just can't remember a thing.
No sweatpants.
No. I get really tacky.
Not even on the off days.
No, I've got tacky old man pajama pants I wear, but not sweatpants.
Well, we're going to segue into a little test for all the airsoft fans. So we're going to cut this part now and go to that.
Okay, hey guys, so now we're here with my manager Charlie and Pacific Northwest Punk, and we're going to play a little game called Guess That Gun.
So boy shorts?
Totally boy shorts, actually, yes. More I say more like hot pants, really, than anything else. A little tight.
Excellent.
Size smaller works great.
Now I'm going to hand them random guns and see if they can guess what the gun is, just from feeling it, smelling it. I prefer if you don't taste it, because some of these are my guns, but if you have to, you can. But yeah, we're going to see how this goes. So I guess first up is going to be Charlie. I'm going to try to go with something easy.
Now this is kind of a weird question, and I'm not real sure. It must have been a sheltered boy to ask this question, but ever broke a bone?
Yeah, actually, in my right thumb.
Ah. No leg bones?
No leg bones.
Well, there's you're dead.
Galil. MAR. There you go.
Yeah, dude. Now I know what it is.
Oh. So, favorite subject in school?
Favorite subject in school would have to be like history.
That's just my guess. You don't have to say.
No, because I can feel what it is. Like the selector switches and everything. I mean, it's a toaster. This isn't even an airsoft gun.
History.
I don't know. Yeah, it was just like a weird thing. I was like really good at memorizing stuff, so that was like my favorite. Which is weird because now like you would think English or something would be a lot better considering speaking and writing, which I have so much trouble with. It's probably why I have so much trouble with that.
Yeah.
This is an AK-47.
Math was my least favorite though. That's one.
Okay. Yeah, you got me there too, math, for sure.
Clear. I can absolutely. Yeah. Yeah. Folding stock. Got it.
Opinion on Nerf guns. They're kind of popular, modifying in airsoft guns and things like that. What's your opinion on Nerf guns?
I think it's cool. I think it's a great way to get people started in the path of a hobby into airsoft.
Definitely KWA.
If it's a KWA, I'm gonna be surprised.
Yep, M9 PTP probably. Huh?
Ooh. Ah, it's KWA.
Actually, one of my friends, he used to do them years ago, like all the heavy Nerf, crazy mods. And now you've got the rivals.
Giveaway.
Fuck is this?
That's what they're called. The new rival ones. I've been wanting to get one of those. Like to
Test
shoot
it out. You
those.
haven't tested it,
Yeah, to shoot those massive, like the balls now that actually have like a kind of a hop up effect to it.
Oh, wait.
Don't say it. Don't say it.
This. Fuck if I know. That magazine's heavy. It feels expensive.
M1 carbine.
It's. What is it? It's
It's
wood.
an M1 carbine.
It's wood. Yeah.
Right off the bat.
I remember that speaking of that, they were trying to do pitted golf ball style airsoft BBs for a while. No one's ever really pulled that off.
No, it would be hard to manufacture such a small product, but it would make sense for sure. Give me 15 more. How good are your yo-yo skills?
You know, I'm okay. I can walk the dog. I can round the world if I got a decent yo-yo, but that's about the extent. I can't like do the little cradle thingy.
Just hand it to me. Just hand it to me right now.
Never mind. I guess you don't get mine.
Just put it in my hands. This is
Just put it in my hands.
this is solid. This is actually my favorite airsoft gun.
I'm not like that. I'm not like yo-yo. I'm not the Duncan Man. I'm really going back at my age now.
Right.
Because no one will know who the Duncan Man is.
Because you can just slingshot those damn things out of this thing. This is an elite. Is this one of those?
Hand it to Joe.
Oh. There you go, buddy.
SL14 mag reloader.
Yeah.
For sure, huh? That's not a gun.
Yes, I actually was huge into yo-yos like kindergarten and first grade. It was kind of like my thing.
Yeah, no, it's a saw. There you go. How about it, buddy?
That's a saw. So the last couple days you stopped in, this past week or whatever, and I've seen you in a lot of flannels. So where did you buy this shirt?
This, believe it or not, I think this is a Walmart shirt from last year. I think I paid like $6 for it. I'm pretty sure I bought it for the game I was going to for like a Platterator operator thing. So
The Platterator. I like
Platterator.
that. I like that.
that is trademarked. Team up in the corner. Hashtag Platterator.
What the? Guess the brand?
Yeah. It's got some modifications to it.
Oh my gosh. Well, I just want to say I really appreciate you coming out. Giving the Northwest a little taste of the YouTube society, and
Well, thanks for having me here.
absolutely.
And not locking the door on me, because that would have been really awkward for me, like pressing my face against the
We
glass.
thought about it.
I know. It'd been funny for a moment. But then I start crying, and it gets awkward, and, it just kind of goes south.
Well, thanks for coming in. Go check out his YouTube videos.
And check
Spot
out their
on
website.
tech videos.
Yeah, check out their website.
Check out our website. Go
Yes.
buy some guns. Get out
All
and
of them.
play.
Yeah, that's the most important thing. Get out and play.
Okay, next.
Hand me my next one.
This is a TSD Mac 11. This is a joke, right?
This is an Enola Gay smoke.
Oh.
That's actually the shop phone.
This must be. This feels like a Top Tech.
That is definitely a G&G Top Tech.
Panasonic hands-free
Panasonic.
cellular device.